Okay, guys, I'm going to show you how to do lesson 5.4. So it's called How to Build a Website. Okay, first thing you need to do when you get your document open is we're going to change the line spacing. So we're going to open up our paragraph menu, change it to 0, 0, single. Okay, I'm going to hit OK. On the first line of the document, type your first and last name, press enter, and then 5.4, How to Build a Website. Press enter twice. Okay, now for the sake of time in this video, I'm going to copy and paste the text that I need. You will need to type out from all of the images that you see. So the first thing you do before you do anything else is you're going to type out all the stuff you see on those pages. It does tell you how to create a page break. So first thing, you just type this first page. I am going to copy this, and I'm going to put it over here. I'm going to paste just the text, so we have that. Okay. Then what you do after you've typed all this to create a new page is you're going to insert a page break, so that's Control Enter, and that goes down. You can also come here to insert page break. It's the same thing. So if I hover over it, you can see the keyboard shortcut is Control Return or Control Enter. Okay, so then I go to the next page. Okay, I'm going to scroll down. Okay, you're going to type all this. Again, I'm copying and pasting just for the sake of time in this video. Okay, and then I'll do Control Enter to create another page break. Okay, type the next page, which is step 2. Okay, I'm going to paste that and then Control Enter. Okay, then you type step 3. Okay, I'm going to paste that. Okay, and then Control Enter for the page break. And then we have our last step, which is step 4. So once you've typed it all, that's going to take a good chunk of your time. Okay, you have all of those pages. Then you're going to come back up here. Okay, so you might want to pause the video as you type all of that, and then when you come back to this point. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to, we're going to create bookmarks. It's kind of, if you're reading a book, think about it the same way, where it will reference back a spot that you want to go back to. So first thing we need to do on each of these pages, so each of these steps, you're going to create a bookmark on this page. So you need to select all the text. You're going to come up to the Insert tab, and you're going to create a bookmark. Okay, we're going to call this step 1, and we're going to add it. You cannot have any spaces in the names, so make sure that there's no space when you do step 1. Okay, we're going to do the same thing for step 2. Notice mine already had it. You shouldn't have anything. I think it's doing that because I copy and pasted. So the next should be step 2. We're going to add that. And I do the same thing for step 3. I'm going to add that. And step 4. We are going to add that. Okay, so add all of your bookmarks for each of those. You do have to select all the text to do it. Okay, once you do that, you're going to come back up here to the top. This is essentially like our table of contents page. If you think about a book, you have the table of contents where it lists out all of the chapters, and then you can I'll go back and reference those. So what we're going to do is we're going to link all 4 of these steps, and it will link it to the page that we bookmarked. So we're going to select the first one. We are going to come up here on the Insert tab and link it. And if you look over here, you probably start off it will start off here. Make sure that it goes to a place in this document. That's where you're linking it. And you're going to select the first step. That's your bookmark. You hit OK. And then now this is a link. So if you hover over it, it says Control click to link to follow the link. We're going to hold down Control, click it, and it takes us to that first step, that page. So you need to do that for all of your steps up here, and then basically the table of contents. We're going to link it to a place in this document. We're going to do step 2. Same thing for step 3. Link it to a place in this document. And then same thing for step 4. Okay, so double check. That's all you're doing today. Double check to make sure that the links actually go to the correct spot. So what I'm going to do when you turn this in, when I grade it, I'm going to check all those links. I'm going to make sure they go to the correct pages. Okay, and in order to do that, you had to have already bookmarked them, and then you link them to those bookmarks. Okay, so don't forget to save it. I did forget to save it already. File, save as. Oops, not that. Sorry, clicked the wrong one. File, save as. Okay, make sure you browse. Choose your location that you want to put it in what folder. Okay, and then you are going to call it website. Okay, don't forget to change that. Okay, now I can't save. I already have one website open, the other one because I was copying and pasting, so I can't save it as that. So make sure you save that and then you submit it. Okay, so hopefully this helps. Make sure to pause the video, go back and watch it if you need it.